Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a tree on your wall, step by step. First, let's plan your design. Think about the overall size and style of your tree to ensure it complements your room. Select a wall that provides plenty of space and good visibility for your artistic creation. Gather all your necessary materials, such as various shades of paint, different sized brushes, and a pencil for sketching. You might also consider adding charming details like leaves, birds, or blossoms to enhance your tree's appeal. Now, let's move on to sketching your tree's outline. Using a pencil, lightly draw the main trunk and the primary branches directly onto your chosen wall. Focus on creating a natural and balanced shape, ensuring the proportions feel right for your space. Don't be afraid to erase and refine your sketch until you are completely happy with the overall design. This initial drawing serves as your guide for the next painting steps, so take your time to get it just right. With your sketch complete, it's time to bring your tree to life with paint. Begin by applying a base coat of brown paint for the main trunk using a medium-sized brush. Once the trunk is established, switch to a smaller brush to carefully define each individual branch, following your pencil lines. To add depth and realism, incorporate darker shades of brown or even a touch of black to create texture for the bark. Remember to let each layer of paint dry thoroughly before applying the next. Finally, let's add the beautiful details and finishing touches to your wall tree. Now is the time to paint the leaves, flowers, or any other decorative elements you envisioned. Use a variety of green shades for the foliage to create a more realistic and vibrant effect. You might also want to include small birds, butterflies, or even a swing for a whimsical touch. Once all the paint is dry, step back and admire your unique and personalized wall tree, a wonderful addition to your home decor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.